Hello everyone, this video is going to cover simplifying rational expressions. We typically do this by factoring. We'll factor the numerator and we'll factor the denominator, and we'll see if we have any common factors that we can cancel out. So if we factor the top, we're looking for numbers that multiply to -6, but at the same time add to -1. And so -3 and 2 are going to do that. Since the leading coefficient is 1, we can go ahead and write our factors. So this is going to be x minus 3 and x plus 2. That's the numerator. The denominator, same approach. We're looking for a times c, which is 12, because that's 1 times 12. And then -7 goes on the bottom. And then that is going to be -4 and -3. So again, we can write our factors as x minus 4 and x minus 3. You'll notice that we have the exact same factor, x minus 3, and they need to be exactly the same. Same sign in front of x and same sign in front of the number. So we can cross those out, and what we have left is x plus 2 over x minus 4, and that is your final answer. Looking at the next problem, we are going to actually start with factoring out a greatest common factor from the numerator. That greatest common factor is 3x. So factor that out, and we have x squared minus 4. Well, we're actually not done factoring that because that is a difference of 2 squares. So I'm going to keep factoring the numerator completely. So a difference of 2 squares would give me x and 2. So that's going to be x plus 2 and x minus 2. The denominator, factor out an x. And you have x squared plus 3x minus 10. And the numbers that multiply to -10 but add to +3 are going to be +5 and -2. So x minus 5 and x plus 5 and x minus 2. That's what it should be. And so there's actually a couple things that we can cancel out. The quantity x minus 2 can cancel out, and the quantity of x. They need to both be shared in the numerator and in the denominator, those factors. So what we have left in the numerator is 3 and x plus 2. And in the denominator, we have x plus 5. And there is our answer.